This new mobile particulate detection device uses suction extraction to collect contaminant particles, thus establishing a new dynamic non-destructive particulate matter collection and detection method, making the technical cleanliness inspection of large, high surface area parts and the job site environment more efficient, cost-effective, accurate, and more industry-specific. The extractive collection method of polluted particulate matter has been tested and certified by the exponential decay method to fully comply with the relevant regulations and requirements of VDA 19.1 or ISO 16232 for particulate matter collection steps, so it can meet the requirements of VDA 19.1 for reproducible comparison of subsequent microscopic analysis results. This dry extraction of contaminated particles by means of an airstream also makes it possible to fully automate the process of technical cleanliness inspection by robots, for example, for inline inspection of the technical cleanliness of production lines. Compared to the so-called wet rinse method of particulate matter collection, such as the liquid media extraction method described in VDA 19.1 or ISO 16232. This innovative dry particulate extraction method offers unique and irreplaceable advantages in a wide range of applications.